Okay, so good morning. I am Dr. Nagalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance and Dr. S.N.S. Nagalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to conduct the DP activity. Okay, DP activity. What is this? This is the crossword puzzle. Crossword puzzle relating to accounting. Okay, as we have knowledge about basic knowledge about accounting. Okay, first we are going to see the crossword puzzle. The first one, across. What is the term? Listen carefully. What is the term for the total set of accounting procedures that must be carried out each fiscal period? Fiscal period is financial period. Will be carrying out the total set of accounts. Means some procedures. What it is said to be? It is accounting cycle. Very good. So it is accounting cycle. A-C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G. Accounting cycle. Okay. See, we are going to the sixth one. To record an account, on the right hand side. So, in the right hand side of the ledger, we will be recording some transactions. That right hand side is said to be what? Ready? Very good. It is credit. What is the sixth one? It's here. C-R-E-D-I-T. Credit. Okay. The seventh question. A book which accounting entries are recorded. So, in which book we will record the accounting, that is entries. Very good. It is what? Journal. The seventh question. Journal. J-O-U-R-N-A-L. Journal. Next, we are going to move to the ninth question. How easy an asset can be converted to cash? See, some asset is there. That asset has to be converted into cash. What term we will use? Very good. It is liquidity. Liquidity means easily converted into cash. The asset which is easily converted into cash. Ninth one. L-I-Q-U-I-D-I-T-Y. Liquidity. Very good. Next one. The 10th one. When the owner takes out money for personal use. So it's a basic what we studied in 11th standard. When the owner takes out the money from the business for personal use, it is said to be what? Drawings. Very good. Yes, drawings. H. Net worth. Okay. Now we are moving to the next one. 14th question. Anything owed that has a dollar value. Anything that owed has a dollar value. Very good. It is a asset. Asset have value. We have money value. Okay. So here dollar value means it is the currency of US. But dollar is a currency. So something what we owe will have a currency value that is called as asset. 14th question. What is the 14th question? Here it is asset. A-S-S-E-T. Asset. We are at the 16th question now. Difference between total revenues and expenses. Difference between total revenues and expenses. What's the answer? Net income. Net income is the answer for the difference between total revenues and expenses. The 16th question. What is that? Net income. I-N-C-O-M-E. Net income. So you are all aware about accounting. Very good. Now we are at the 17th question. What about refers to when the company is owed money from customers? Accounts receivable. Very good. See, what account refers to when the company is owed money from customers? See, we made the what? We made the sales. They have to pay in future. We write a bill. We will receive the bill from them. That is said to be accounts receivable. So the answer for the 17th question is accounts. A-C-C-O-U-N-T-S. Accounts receivables. R-E-C-E-I-V-A-B-L-E. Accounts receivable. Okay. So we have completed the crossword puzzle across. Now we are moving to the downward questions. The first question. A charity is what kind of business organization? Charity means what? Trust. Very good. Aditya, what's the answer? Non-profit organization. So charity stands for non-profit. Okay. It is rendering services. So it's non-profit organization. N-O-N-P-R-O-F-I-T-O-R-G-A-N-I-S-A-T-I-O-N. Non-profit organization. Next one. What is the next question? Third question. A statement showing the current financial position of the company. Balance sheet. See, a balance sheet. Sit down. Very good. A balance sheet is a statement. Balance sheet is a statement which shows the current position of the company. So what is the answer for the third one? Balance sheet. B-A-L-A-N-C-E-S-H-E-E-T. Balance sheet. The next one, fourth question. A financial event that changes the value in certain accounts. So a financial event that changes the values in certain events. What is the answer? Guru? Economic transaction is the right answer for the fourth question. It is economic events. Economic transaction. Economic transaction. The next question is list of all account balances to determine if sum of credit equals to debit. Trial balance. So we know what is meant by a trial balance. No, no. Trial balance where the debit has to be tallied with credit. If it is not tallied, the recording of account was not proper. Some mistakes have been taken place. Meaning of if the debit does not tally with the credit means some error has been happened in our account recording. The fifth one, trial. TRIAL trial balance. Okay. The eighth one, anyone who is owed money from the business. Debtor is the answer for what? Eighth downward puzzle. Anyone who is owed money from the business. Eighth question is that debtor. The next 11th one. When expenses are more than revenues. When the expenses are more than revenues, loss. When income is less and the expenses are more means it is said to be loss. So the 11th question, the answer for the 11th question is net loss. Net loss. The last puzzle, special form of business owned by what? Shareholders. Corporation, special form of business owned by shareholders. Company, corporation is the other name for company. So the 15th question, COR PORA